Hey, in front of me is LENOVO Tab Extreme, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down just a bit to access biometrics and passwords. Then click on face recognition and enter your current login method. Then click on this little icon next to enable Rise to Wake to enable or disable it, and when you're ready, select Add. Now keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now you need to select Turn on or Ignore in Turn on Unlocking with a Mask on pop-up, and then manage all of those options however you want to. When you finished, just go back. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!